Game over.
Hi YouTube, I'm going to make a quick video today. So I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and if my phone dies, it's just going to be a clip where it's going to cut. So first what I do is I'll just put a pink over my eyes because it's like not that noticeable. Then I take a luminate and go like this. And then I'm gonna use this palette today. Maybe this palette for over glitter. So, and if you want to know what the palettes are called, I'll put them in the description. First what I do is I'll do the smoke. I'm doing a very natural look today. I'm using this color. If it doesn't show up well, it means you put it on your brush too light. So what you want to do is try to use a brush that you think would work best. Like this one. See how I got a lot on there? And then start your smoke part of your eye. It should turn out as a kind of like a brownish color. Do the same thing for your other eye. Then after, it should start looking way more natural. So, I'm sorry, I cut a part out. I cut out doing the other side because it's the same thing. So, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a different brush so it's easier. I'm gonna use this. It is, since this is supposed to be a very natural look, I'm just gonna take this color right here. Quick, see if it looks good. It's like a pink. Yes, it looks really natural and really pretty. You put that in your crease of your eye. You should have your smoke. Then after, remember to wash off the excess under your eyes. Because I don't use tape, I just go for the flow. So, this is what your look should look like so far. I used this color right here. And then, what you're going to do next is take your blush of your choice. It should look like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want a little bit of glitter. So what I'm just going to do is I'm not going to use this palette actually, but if you wanted to add it to your look or use the natural colors, but in here, it's from Justice. It's called Just Shine. It's a palette, has eyeshadow and lip gloss. That's why I'm not using it. So take your glitter, wing it. You should have nice like glitter. It helps glitter out your eyes. When I say glitter out your eyes, I actually mean glitter out your eyes. It should look like this. And then, most of these things I'm using are from the Color Workshop. And they're all in different sets, so I'm sorry if you can't find them. Make sure you make your eyelashes nice and pretty, like this. I wouldn't recommend using fake eyelashes because it takes out of the natural look. Try to get those extra chunks. Yeah, extra chunk. This is gonna come off. It should look like this. Now this is most of your look so far. Just keep getting a darker blush out of the jar. And then what you're gonna need is, I'm gonna use a darker blush just to make the cheeks go out. All the stuff I'm using is from the same brand. And then you want to make sure you have your eyebrows. What I just do is I take a light color with a chip. I'll use more in here, like this, to bring out. Just bring out this. I'm using this color. In this type of brush. Like that. I just need a little more to touch up on the front part here. Oh, my mom's gonna be mad. But she knows that I can do my makeup. I mean, that's probably like the best eyebrow I ever done. To be honest. Looks like a professional did my eyebrows. I mean, I might take out the eyebrows because it does not look that good at all. So I'm gonna
out a little bit more.
Put So then after, fix all things you messed up. Like my eyebrows, I'm gonna wipe a little bit so they look a little bit way better. And wipe on under my eyes and like by my eyes. This is the only thing that's not from Color Workshop. It's from Justice. There's this. I don't know if they have it like single, but they might have stuff like this. Put it on your lips. And I can show you my process of how I get it off, like the excess off. Well, they're just white, but washcloth, like, I took off the dry one. Oh, these are long. Jesus, they're long. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to wipe my eyebrows so they look better. And not how they were looking. Now they look like my regular eyebrows. Get around your eyes and under because of powder. Like that. And voila!